Another beautiful sunrise here in beautiful Arizona. What an amazing place.
In this episode, we're getting ready for another travel day. Monday, we'll be on the road again. It's a fireman thing, wiping down the truck. He said something about fixing the dash cam. Seems the mount is broken.
Camera's on.
And just like that, we're back at Meridian RV Resort.
Welcome back, guys.
You're looking good. How you feeling?
I'm feeling a lot better. Nice. Yeah, it's pretty bad. The tightening part on the inside is kind of all messed up. Well, it's gonna be moving day, so this Monday. So we've got all of this stuff, the outdoor kitchen, you guys already know, goes into the back of the RV. Well, the pickup truck, Beast. Come on, baby. And we'll get everything hooked up and ready to go.
Hey, Chris.
Hey, cutie.
What's so special about today?
It's my birthday.
And what are you planning to do for your birthday?
Make it to my next one.
Funny guy.
Okay. Okay. Well, today's project, can you see me? Is going to be fixing this. There's no way we can tighten that suction cup any more than it is. Let me unplug this, let it dangle, and to show that we can't, it's just because the suction cup part is pretty well broken. So we're going to try to scrape it off. Yeah, it's pretty bad. The tightening part on the inside is kind of all messed up. I was worried it was going to be real expensive because of this GPS component, but it wasn't too bad. It was 20 bucks. Now it has a little part here that you can press and then you can slide the component off and replace it with a new one. And for 20 bucks, it includes the GPS part of it as well. So let me see if I can clean this stuff off. Where did I put that? Oh, right here. Oh, that's coming off nice and easy. It's the 3M tape that I use to hold it on with. On my scraper, now I'm going to use a little piece of towel and some Windex because it has alcohol in it. I usually don't use Windex on my windows in the truck. For some reason, it takes forever to get them completely cleaned off. And when we have our replacement part. Came in the mail. It was about 4 days. And here it is. This is the part. It's much more sleek than the original, which was this clunky looking thing, but it still does basically the same thing. So I'm going to see if there's a better place to hang it. And that means sticking this back on. And then looking for a moment to see if something will actually work better. Okay, I want it to be out of the way. But still have a good visibility of the road if anything were to happen. So that might not be a bad spot. If I go further over this way, or if I go further down, this camera's got a pretty wide view. If I stick it there, this might give me a great view of everything outside. Plus inside the rig as well. So yeah, that looks like that may be where we're going to do it. So I undo the sticky stick, and I remember right about where it's going to be, and then put it on, and now it becomes permanent. So I set the camera up, tighten it into place. and it's in its new home. So we'll see in a little bit how this thing works, if it's doing what it's supposed to do. With any luck, another job well done. I don't know. We'll find out.
And yes, it does work perfectly. I never had a doubt.
Camera's on.
Dude, Meridian. I need to get the cards.
Oh, okay.
Where's the other one?
I didn't, he did. It's alright, she'll be right back, I promise. It's alright. She's gonna be right back. Yes, she is.
Does it seem like road crews mess with you guys like us? I swear these barricades are like funnels, wide to start with and then narrow when you get in.
Trailer's gone.
Maybe they moved.
Maybe.
Hey, they're back!
Hey, yeah.
Oh, wait, is that them?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it is.
Why don't you turn down there and...
I just want to wait here so they don't think that we're pulling in. Pretty boy. Welcome back, guys.
You're looking good. How you feeling?
I'm feeling a lot better. It's your mama. It's a pretty mama.
There is no manager here, but they have a manager that comes once a week.
Yeah.
She does 3 different properties.
Jeez.
And she had a sunflower tattoo. We were talking about it.
The manager?
Yeah.
That was the lady that pulled up in that little red Mini.
Thanks again to all of our insiders. If you would like the benefit of uninterrupted videos, early access, a place with a direct link to us, and a really nice hat, maybe you should consider becoming an insider. Backing into our favorite spot. Please, travel safe.